chocolate milkshake is a classic and indulgent beverage loved by people of all ages. Made with rich cocoa powder or chocolate syrup, creamy milk, and a scoop of velvety ice cream, this delicious treat offers a delightful combination of flavors and textures. To prepare a chocolate milkshake, we start by adding a generous amount of chocolate syrup or cocoa powder to a blender. The chocolatey goodness is then combined with cold milk and a few scoops of your favorite chocolate or vanilla ice cream. The ingredients are blended until smooth and creamy, creating a luscious and velvety texture that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. For an extra touch of decadence, some variations include adding a drizzle of chocolate syrup on top or a dollop of whipped cream. Chocolate milkshake can also be customized to suit individual preferences. For a nutty twist, you can add a tablespoon of peanut butter to the mix. To create a refreshing combination, a splash of mint extract can be included. You can even experiment with different types of chocolate, such as dark chocolate or white chocolate, to create unique flavors. This delightful beverage can be enjoyed as a treat on its own or paired with your favorite desserts. It is a perfect accompaniment to cookies, brownies, or donuts, creating a delectable dessert experience. Chocolate milkshake not only satisfies your sweet cravings but also offers a comforting and nostalgic feel. Its creamy and chocolatey goodness brings back fond memories of childhood, making it a go-to choice for moments of celebration or simply to lift your spirits. So, treat yourself to the blissful indulgence of a chocolate milkshake. Relish its rich and creamy taste as you savor every sip of this delightful beverage. Whether it's a hot summer day or a cozy winter evening, a chocolate milkshake is sure to bring joy and delight to your taste.